Hi guys, this is Nagi. I'm bringing here a beautiful new house here in a beautiful neighborhood of my city, Mountain House. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath house, and my favorite part, it has 2 master bedrooms. 1 master bed downstairs and 1 master bedroom upstairs. And it has 2 bathrooms downstairs and 2 bathrooms upstairs. Let me take you to the tour of the house. What a beautiful view the house with so high ceilings. I absolutely love it. This is my favorite part of this house, and look at the way these beautiful floors stand out. Absolutely gorgeous. This is the grand entrance of this beautiful house. You can see how high the ceilings are, how beautiful these floors are, and as you enter on your left hand side there is beautiful office space, and from this corner of the house you can see beautiful high ceilings, beautiful recessed lights. In the whole house have recessed lighting, big windows bringing in a lot of natural light in the house. And I absolutely love the wood floor in the house. It's gorgeous. Very spacious. Not many of the floor plans in Mountain House are this big. The whole house has upgrade floorings, and it's beautiful granite floors. Very expensive upgrade. And as you walk in, we are going towards the area. This is your formal dining area. And as you walk in from your formal dining, we are going towards your living area. Beautiful kitchen. Just see how the floors are so shiny, so beautiful. I'm so much in love with these floors. Let me give you a whole look of the kitchen and your living area from the corner of the house. The whole house has recessed lights, beautiful upgrades, high ceilings, not lot of natural light in the whole house. I'm absolutely in love with this floor plan. Taking you from one side corner of the house, of the living area, to the other. We are hitting the market. It's a 4-bedroom and 4-bathroom, 2 master bedrooms, and 2 bathrooms downstairs, and 2 bathrooms are upstairs. Let's go check their master bedroom. As you walk from here, this is 1 master bedroom, beautiful, very spacious, and it has a 1 full bathroom downstairs. We are hitting the market very soon. If you are thinking of buying or selling your house, contact me on my cell 510-386-3186. If you're too busy to meet me, I am also taking Zoom phone calls, and we can arrange a Zoom meeting and I can go over your questions. It doesn't have to be that you're thinking of selling or buying, but if you have confusions, questions, or concern the way market is working, we can have a Zoom call and go over all your questions. Now I'm upstairs and I want to share again something crazy. This is my beautiful favorite part of every house. When you stand upstairs and I want to look down, I want to see at my beautiful house with high ceilings, lot of natural light, and all natural beautiful lights upstairs, and I love this. Now to give you a quick update with the new construction, the way they are working. They have over 1,000 people. I don't care what they say, but this is what I find out from my resources. They have over 1,000 people signed up in their list. And what Century Homes did recently is, so we have seen 2 bedrooms upstairs. What Century Homes did recently is they started a bidding process. So 4 houses were released. This is another bathroom upstairs. 4 houses were released by portfolio. Out of that 4 houses, they had 125 people overbidding on those houses. So if you were thinking it's easier to get a brand new house, less bidding, no stress on appraisal things, well, that's not anymore the case. This is a beautiful master bedroom, and I love the natural light. This is a view of your master bedroom from one angle of the house, and I'm taking you towards master bathroom. I try to share as much information as possible in these videos so that at the same time when you're looking at this beautiful house, you're getting some information out of me, what I see every day happening. So the reason I'm sharing that information, beautiful bathroom, my goodness, look at that. 2 separate sinks, upgraded lights, the whole house has recessed lighting and the beautiful tile flooring. Beautiful. So I always try to share as much information as possible while I'm making these beautiful videos of these beautiful homes. Where if you were considering of buying a brand new house, assuming that at least I will not be stuck in the appraisal issue with the new construction, sorry, that is not the case anymore. Century Communities in Mountain House has changed their process, and it is no more lottery or first come first serve, it is by bidding. So in this previous release, they had 4 or 6 houses in the release, and there were 125 people who participated in that bidding. Now, well, you can imagine when you're looking for a resale house like this, you might be competing against 10, 12, 15 people, but in those brand new houses, now you will be competing against hundreds of people, and appraisal will be waiving off. So you will be stuck with actually a bigger problem in new construction compared to these beautiful resale homes. Contact me today for a private tour of this beautiful house. My cell phone 510-386-3186. Don't forget to text me if you want to get into a Zoom phone call and discuss the questions and concerns happening in the market, as I have been an agent for over 18 years, always here, happy to help you and answer all the questions. Stay blessed, stay safe, and take care. Bye-bye.